My name is Nikki. Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how I painted this floral heart wreath with watercolors. I use my mixed media sketch pad, a smaller Craftimo round brush and my Schminke watercolor set. The colors I use today are, for the roses, cadmium red that I mix with carmine, and for the greenery I use olive green, permanent green and May green, which I mix in different amounts so that I get a variation of green colors. Before I start painting, I sketch out a heart shape and erase the harsh lines with my kneadable eraser. I begin by painting in the roses with my red color. For the first layer, I start with a light wash. That means I use a lot of water in my paint to make it more transparent. I paint a few circles with curvy outlines here and there on my heart-shaped line. I paint them in different sizes for a bit more variation. Just a few clusters of roses in different sizes here and there. Then I leave the roses to dry and start painting the greenery. I use a mix of olive green and permanent green and start with a simple leaf shape. I paint them all around in random places, but all facing in the same direction. For the next leaf, I go a bit darker in color by adding a bit more permanent green to my mixture. Also a very basic leaf shape, but this time the leaves are a bit bigger. For the next leaves, I use olive green. I just paint 1 or 2 little branches with longer leaves on top. Time to add more details to the roses. I use an opaque version of the red color I've mixed and paint in a circle into the center of the flower and build many C-shapes all around to give them the typical rose look. Then I go back into the center of the flower with some opaque red paint to add some depth and dimension. Then I add some details to some leaves with permanent green. I change my green mixture a bit again and paint in single leaves everywhere the painting has too much white space or where I think it's a bit uneven. And that's it. The floral heart wreath is finished. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.